Hey guys, today we're going to read Pete the Cat, Firehouse Pete. We are going on a class trip today, says Principal Nancy. She leads the class to a bright yellow bus. Everyone climbs on board. There goes Pete. They are going to visit the firehouse today. The bus parks next to the bright red firehouse. Pete and his classmates are excited. The firehouse is huge. It's so big it can hold 2 long red fire trucks and all of the firefighters' equipment. So there's the bus, and there's the firehouse. The firefighters show the kids around. They give everyone a turn to ring the old brass fire bell outside the firehouse. There's Pete. Ring the bell. Then all the kids take turns sliding down the firefighter's pole. Whee! Yells Callie as she glides down. The firefighter allows the kids to try on their gear. Firefighters wear a lot of equipment. First, Pete pulls on the heavy black overalls. Then he steps into the black boots. A firefighter helps Pete put on the heavy yellow jacket. Finally, they place a hard black helmet on Pete's head. All this gear is very heavy. Pete can barely move. So there's Pete in all of his firefighter gear. The firefighters allow the kids to explore one of the fire trucks. Callie sits in the driver's seat. She presses the horn. It's so loud that all the kids cover their ears. Then Pete turns on the sirens and lights. The sirens blare. Woo-wee, woo-wee. The lights flash red and yellow. Suddenly, a loud bell rings in the firehouse. Uh-oh, it's the fire alarm. There's a fire in town. Gear up, Pete. The firefighters scramble into their gear very quickly. Pete puts on his gear too. They all climb aboard the fire truck and turn on the siren and lights. Firefighter Pete and the firefighters are on their way. There they're getting ready, and there they go in the fire truck. Woo-wee, woo-wee. The fire engine races towards town and the lights flash round and round. The firefighter presses the horn. All of the other cars move out of the way. There's the fire. It's hot and loud, but the firefighters know exactly what to do. They work together as a team to connect the fire truck to the fire hydrant. Then the firefighters also attach a long, heavy hose to the truck. Firefighter Pete gives the signal, and the firefighters turn on the water. Whoosh! There's the fire. There's Pete with the water hose. The water gushes out very fast. Several firefighters must hold the hose to control it. Pete helps direct the hose as they spray the fire with water. The fire is starting to go out. There is smoke everywhere. Suddenly, Pete hears yelling from the roof. Oh no, it's Grumpy Toad. He needs to be rescued. The firefighters raise a long ladder from the truck. Crank, crank, crank. The ladder goes up and up and up. Firefighter Pete and another firefighter help Grumpy Toad climb down the ladder carefully. Yay! The fire is out and everyone is safe. The firefighters drive back to the firehouse. They take off all of their gear. They pat Pete on the back and say, Firefighter Pete helped save the day. Good job, Pete. The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to Pete the Cat, Firefighter Pete. See you later. Bye.